Hello people, and welcome to my channel where I mostly talk about skateboarding in general, but every now and then I like to make a video about ancient Egypt. I like to make videos about ancient Egypt, not to present things that have already been presented, but rather to reply specifically to many misconceptions and heresies out there on the internet and elsewhere. The main title about what I'm about to discuss is Egypt called Egypt or Misr or Kemet? Kemet means only the Nile's black fertile soil or agricultural land, and not all of the entirety of Egypt, or Misr should I say. Those who used this term are the farmers of the land. Deshert, which is the second term, which sounds like the word we use today as desert, has the same weight of Kemet. So Deshert means desert, or the red land of the desert. So neither names are representing the entirety of Egypt's land. That term Desert was used by the people who used to work in the stone quarries, or the people who used to live in the desert around the Nile. Thirdly, the term Gebt or Gebt. This term means the soil that is dug, or land that has water channels. This term is used by the group of people who worked on boats to fish, or people commerce by boat, or travelers on boat. Specifically refers to the Delta region, Gebt, as the land of channels. And that term is the term that is believed to be from where the term Egypt came from. Desher means red, and Kemi means soil or black. Adding the letter T to each one makes them refer to the land itself. Gebt also had a T added to it, just like the word Kemet or Deshert. So the full term or word for the land of channels is Gebt or Gebt, which later became Egypt. And on top of all this, there is more of a story also for the word Misr, which is also ancient Egyptian and is the term used for all Egypt as a country. The people of the land never had the need to call themselves from a country name like we do today. They didn't have passports, they didn't travel, and they didn't talk to other people from other regions of the world like we do today on the phone and on the internet. They referred to themselves, as I've said previously, by region and profession. So the term Misr or Masr came from the kings when they used to talk to each other from one country to the other. And there is a lot of evidence on everything that I've just said. If you love Egypt so much, try to educate yourself the best way possible, because there are plenty of fallacies, heresies, makers, and conspiracy creators out there. Peace.